on YouTube? It's JordyBuilds back with another video. Today we picked up a Razer Crazy Cart XL. This is the biggest one they make. This is 36 volt stock. The lead acid batteries that are in it are junk and they don't charge. The charger just lights up green, so I know the batteries are gone. So what we're gonna do is clean this up, take the seat off, get the old batteries out, and try to swap in my lithium 48 volt orange battery and see if she rips or not. So let's get to it. All right guys, to wipe this thing down, we're gonna just use some Armor All wipes that I have laying around the house. So we're gonna wipe it down and see what she looks like after. All right guys, we got her wiped down. You can see what kind of difference it made. So now, to get to the batteries, all we have to do is take out this 5mm Allen, this 5mm Allen, and then the seat will pop right off. So now, when we pick up on the seat, just comes out of place, and you can see right here look to be the batteries. So it looks like we got a little battery holder right here. Come on now. There we go. So hopefully we just pop these out of here. Just like that. So the power for this controller is this style of plug, which I have an extra one right here. So what I'm going to do in order to test all the electronics is wire a XT90 connector to the end of this, and then I'll be able to connect my Milwaukee batteries that I have wired in series also with an XT90 connector on. So then we'll be able to test everything at 36 volts stock and make sure everything works before we go ahead and throw the 48 volt battery in here. So let's head inside and solder this up and get ready to use the Milwaukee batteries. So that is our final product right here. Have an inline fuse holder and everything. So XT90 to stock Razer 36 volt. Let's go test it out and see what happens. All right guys, so here we have two M18 Milwaukee batteries wired in series to make 36 volts. Here we have our jumper harness to go from our XT90 to the stock Razer Crazy Cart plug. So this is going to give our stock 36 volts to our electronics and make sure everything works correctly. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the Milwaukee battery side first, then the Razer side, and turn it on. We should have power. Awesome. Well, I kind of want to rip it on 36 volts, so let's go ahead and get the seat back on and see what it's like on 36 volts running on the Milwaukees. All right guys, this is going to be my first time riding in Crazy Cart, so I'm super excited. Let's go for a little test run on the Crazy Cart XL. Let's get it. There we go, baby. As you guys just saw, this thing absolutely rips on 36 volts. Like I said, we are running two Milwaukee batteries on this. I was going to put in my 48 volt orange battery, but I don't really see a reason to. It's got plenty of speed, plenty of power, and it hauls me around great. I'm about 5'10", 150 pounds, and I think 36 volt is just perfect for this cart, especially if you're going lithium. So if you guys like the video and want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and like the video. And the next video, hopefully we'll be upgrading some bearings, maybe finding a permanent solution for the batteries and stuff like that. So again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.